Hi everyone! With leaves starting to fall, the most common suggestion to use them is to compost them or to mulch them. But what if we tell you that you can make the same leaves do more for you and still end up with the same end result of having beautiful leaf compost, which is also called as leaf mold? Let us show you how. These pictures are from last fall. We collected all of our fall leaves and mulched everything in our garden, even the paths. As the garden year progressed, the foot traffic on garden paths increased and the leaves started to break down. During this whole process, the leaves covered our garden beds and paths. This kept weeds away, which grow very easily, especially on garden paths. Keeping weeds away is the first job these leaves did, and it saved us a lot of time as we didn't have to do any weeding. And now, a full year later, the leaves are broken down enough and form this beautiful leaf mold. We are scraping it off easily from our garden paths and putting it on our garden beds right next to the path. No labor-intensive hauling is needed. This adds organic matter to our garden beds, which is the second job accomplished by the same leaves. So instead of sitting in a pile, the same set of leaves saved our garden from weeds and still provided composted leaves as end product. As we harvest leaf mold from one path, we are covering it with brown cardboards and adding fall leaves from this season on it to continue the cycle. Walking over the leaves a couple of times helps to settle them down. Winter snow will make them settle down more. Kitchen scraps are another valuable asset that can be composted very easily to provide nutrition to your garden. We have summed up the process of composting kitchen scrape in this video, so do check it out.